Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdegam Chimthanawala. Today let us talk about a very simple remedy used daily in a practice, but some symptoms which I saw in my practice and I used on this symptom which gave me wonderful results. I'll tell you a case where the patient's mother, the child was coughing and the mother told me how the child was coughing. He said when the child wakes up in the morning, he coughs like this, he was coughing. A very particular symptom told by the mother about the child's cough. This is called as gagging cough in the morning. What a beautiful description the mother gave of the cough. The remedy which I am talking today is Sina. Yes, Sina, a very simple remedy, but I use this remedy in case of cough where I got very good results. The first symptom I would like to discuss is gagging cough in the morning, a very important remedy for this symptom. And there is a violent recurring paroxysm as of down in the throat. Paroxysm comes down to the throat, that is also Sina. And in Sina, the cough is so violent as it brings tears in the eyes of the child, and there is pain in the sternum. The cough is so violent, remember the cough is so violent as to bring tears in the child and sternal pain. It is so severe that it is written in a matrimony that as if something is torn off. मतलब कोई कपड़ा अपन फाड़ते हैं ना, as if it's torn. See the intensity of the cough that is described in a matrimony. Brings the tears with sternal pain and feels as if something is torn off. And a Sina patient, if you see a Sina cough, he'll cough like this. That is swallows after coughing. If you see this symptom and you don't know any remedies except Sina, you can give Sina, and I have found very useful results with this symptom. There is swallowing after coughing. As you go further in Sina, there is gurgling from throat to the stomach after coughing. From the throat to the stomach. Gurgling from the throat to the stomach after coughing. So I have told you 3-4 combinations of cough where the patient, you can see the gagging, the flowing of tears, the sternal pain, the swallowing after coughing, and now gurgling from throat to the stomach. So much so that the child is afraid to speak, or the child is afraid to move because he has a fear, because if he moves, it will bring on the paroxysm of coughing. How many times you have used Sina for this condition? Because whenever the patient tells us, Dr. Sahab, when we move, when we do some movement or jerk and the cough starts better by rest, we normally think about bryonia, and we are not wrong. Bryonia has this symptom, but Sina also has this symptom. The child is afraid to move because he feels that if it will bring on the cough paroxysm. And after coughing, a Sina child, there is moaning, anxious, grasps for air and turns pale. That is the height of cough in Sina. That is, after coughing so much, he gasps for air. Air के लिए gasp करता है, ऐसी air उसको कम हो जाती है, and that is why the patient turns blue. Simple remedy Sina, but what an important symptoms of Sina. And of course, then when the patient of Sina sleeps, there is grinding of teeth, and it is suitable to complaints which arise after yawning. This is again a very important symptom of Sina, yawning. And now, when the patient of Sina sleeps, he has a very restless sleep. He changes positions during sleep, wakes up frequently in the night, screams and trembles. आपने सुना होगा मम्मी बोलती मेरा बच्चा सोता है यहाँ पे और उठता है वहाँ पे. He sleeps here and wakes up here. You may think about Sina. To sum up in one line, Sina, how is a Sina baby? How is a Sina patient? It is a children's remedy. Big, fat, rosy. Scrofulous, corresponding to most of the complaints that may be referred to intestinal irritation, such as worms and accompanying complaints. Big, fat, rosy scrofulous. Don't always think about calcaria. But in Cinna, it is most of the condition because of intestinal irritation and it is because of worm complaints. So, in short, a very short picture of Cinna, a very short picture of Cinna cough with sleep and the whole constitution of Cinna. So, now the potency and repetition what I give to that patient. Simple case of Cinna, I gave that patient Cinna 30, 2 doses. First dose on the first day, and after 7 days I repeated the dose because on the first day the patient told that the complaints were not so much better, though better than what he came. So I repeated Cinna to 30 next week and called the patient after a week. He came with about 60% amelioration. In a month's time, he came and his mother came, actually the child did not come, and told he is much better and there is now no cough. And in addition to that, she told me now he is sleeping better than what was he before taking the medicine. So this is the repetition and the potency I used in the case of Cinna patient of cough. Do go home and read this remedy in detail and you will get fantastic results in these conditions. So my friends, if you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.